What's up, folks? Gonna show you how I made this photo here now. Um, so doing tutorials for me is kind of hard because I would literally just sit at this photo and look at it for about an hour or so until it takes shape. But I'm gonna start just showing how I do it after the fact with the layers, and just so you guys could get an idea of how it, came to be. So starting with that, this is the original photo, and this is how it came out. So I had the original photo here. One of the first things that I wanted to do was center it more. So I had to cut myself out and put myself on another layer, and that way I just have the whole layer blank, like so. And then I put some, well, dang it, I shouldn't have done that. And then I put a couple color lookups on it here. And I drew a triangle with the shape tool and put this image inside of it. Set that to color dodge. This is what it looks like normally. Put a photo filter on top of that. And then my group 2, I wasn't using that one. I have another color lookup for all the colors on top of it. Some of these I didn't do, so now there it is. And then I have me. So what I basically did with myself was I cut myself out. Cut myself out so I could move myself to the center. And then I just put some different types of tones and contrast on it with the curves here. And put another color lookup on it so that way it could bring out the color that I want. And this is some stuff I was playing around with that I didn't use. Another color lookup here to bring out the color that I really wanted. I put a little bit of a glow on the glasses, as you could see. I didn't use that either. And this is my original line tool so these are the lines for the triangle. I put more of a glow on the sunglasses. I use the curves tool so I could brighten up the picture just a bit more because this was a little dark. Then I put a high pass filter on so I could bring out more detail of myself. Can't really tell that much, but it's there. And I put the last photo. This is an option that I put on to make it more, I guess, cyberpunky, but I didn't like it because it see more purple. But anyway, so with the color filters, the color lookups, if you go to extensions and you find extensions, it'll take you to the Adobe site, and I downloaded all these different color LUTs. So these are all the ones that I have that I use, and that's what all these color lookups are. So for like instance, this one right here is creative number 4, which is right here. So if you want to spend like a couple of dollars, I think it was like 20 bucks to get 194 different colors or different LUTs, it's worth it. And this is something I'm going to be doing a lot more, just so you could see my process of how I came to the conclusion of this photo, just in something nice and short. So anyway, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of these, hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, just like the video. I'll try to go more in depth, but for now, I'm just going to show how I did the photo. Thanks for watching.